Hey, how are you? Good afternoon. So, Kartikesh, how was your long weekend? Yes. Hi. Did you went somewhere? Okay, to get energy. So, what you did when you went for the? Did you went for the walk for every morning? Every morning. Okay, then you came back. Okay. Why you were riding your sister's bike? Don't you have your own? Okay. So in December you are going to India. December 29. Okay. Good. Okay, let's the other kids join the class and then we will begin the class. And let's wait for others. Yes. Okay, Kartikesh. So let's begin our circle time. So tell me how many days in a week? Okay. Can you name them? Very good. Okay, how's the weather? It's still hot over there. Is it extreme hot? Extreme. Okay, because of winter, it's not extremely hot. Okay, but still it's hot over there. Okay, good. So, tell me how many months in a year? Excellent. Hello. Well done. Hello. Hello, Maham. How are you? Welcome to the class. Welcome to the class. Okay. So, Kartikesh, tell me how many. You are at your brother's house, so today you all are going to take the class. Hello, Shafe. Can you please turn the camera? Can you please turn the camera? Okay, it's okay. Can you please turn the camera? Yes, like this. Now it's better. Good, thank you. Okay. So tell me, how was your long weekend, Nafe Shafe and Maham? How was your long weekend? Very good. Did you celebrate the Eid Muladun Nabi? Good. Very good. Okay, so let's begin our class. Today we will learn some information about insects. Okay, now teacher is going to share some slides with you and we will discuss the insects one by one. Waiting time, and please, I want you to please keep silence. Yes, which one? Nafe or Shafe? Nafe is here? Nafe, are you here? Okay. Okay, all of you, can you see the screen? So please, look, what are these? These are different type of insects. Okay? Yeah, okay, tell me. What is the name of this insect? Yes, grasshopper. Grasshoppers are leaping insects that are found all over the world. They live mostly in forests or grasslands, but they are also common in gardens. Their brown or green coloring helps them to blend in with the plants and dirt around them. Grasshoppers are closely related to cricket. Cricket is another animal, oh sorry, another insect, and grasshoppers are very closely to the cricket. So, have you ever seen the grasshopper? Okay. What about you, Nafe, Shafe, and Maham? You never seen a grasshopper? You never saw a grasshopper? Okay, they left. Yes, this is ladybug. Very good. Well done. Ladybug. Ladybugs are beetles. Ladybugs are beetles that are known for their roundish bodies and bright colors. They have short legs and can be yellow, red, or orange in color. They often have dark spots, though some have stripes and others have no marking. So there are three types of ladybirds. They are in yellow, some of them are in red color, some of them are in yellow or orange color, some of them have spots on their body, some of them have stripes on their body, and others have no marks. Even some of them have no marks. Okay, now tell me what is it? Spider. Very good. Spider. They have more legs and different body parts than insect. Yes, Kartikesh? Are you trying to say something? Yes. The spider is making his web right now. But they have more legs and different body parts than insects. They have about 40,000 known species. Oh my God, they have a lot of species. They also don't move around in the same way insects do. Mostly insects go from one place to another for their prey, but spider don't move around in the same way insects do. The spider mostly still on his web. Okay, who is going to tell me what is this? Maggot. Well, maggot. It's look like a caterpillar, but it's a maggot. What is it? Maggot. 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 The other word we use to define maggot is larva. Its other name is larva. It means a soft-bodied, legless larva of a fly or other insects found in decaying matter. Okay, so this is the basically the a stage before of a fly or of a caterpillar. You can also call it larva. Mosquito, mosquito. Yes, and it sucks blood. It has a long beak like a needle. His mouth like a needle, and it sucks blood. It has long. Do mosquito have teeth? Yes, Nafi and Shafi. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, butterfly. Yes, butterfly. It's a butterfly. They are you often see the butterfly in your garden and in the field, in the greenery. They are so beautiful there. Yes, Maha. What is so funny? Yes, there are also butterfly, some of in the park. Yes, you are right, and they are different of kinds. There are so many different kinds of butterfly. They are in different colors. Yes, Kartikesh, you want to say something? In the pupa. After that, it becomes a yes. Finally, it will come like a. Assalam, would you like to please share us the life of butterfly with us? Okay. Come here, and tell us.
The life of the butterfly is very delicate. To learn this, you must learn math. First, it has from its egg. Looks like a real dummy, stupid thing, which is very
Thank you so
unreal.
much.
But
Okay,
it
first
looks
there was the egg. After that, that eggs turn into the
caterpillar.
caterpillar. After that, caterpillar turns into
The good morph is the caterpillar looks like a ball, but with a flat end. But then turned into cocoon, like it's little man.
then it turns into cocoon, and after that,
Then it goes down and its beauty emerges. It catch and it allows it to fly and kill prey.
okay, thank
Some
you.
are very delicate and are very deadly. So
Okay,
watch
ठीक है.
out for the poison one.
Okay, thank you. And finally, it will turn into the after cocoon. It will turn into the butterfly. It got the wings and turn. But okay, now tell me what is it? Beetle. Yes, very good. Beetle. There. Snail. Okay, do snail move very fast? Very good. What is on his body? They hide into the shell. Very good. What what is the ant? The ant is an insect that has 6 tiny legs and 2 tentacles. As you can see in the picture, that ant has 6 legs and 2 tentacles. They are different kind of ants. White ants live in ant hills. Black and red ants are seen everywhere. They live in groups. Each group has a queen. They always live in the group and each group have a queen. They are very laborious. Laborious means that they are very hardworking. Yes, yes, Kartikesh. Ants are very cute. Okay, in this picture, the ant is very cute. Dragonfly. It is a dragonfly. Yeah, okay. Okay. Have you ever seen a dragonfly before? Okay. Did you catch it or not? They are harmless. You can easily catch them. Yes, very good. You know, dragonflies are a flying insect with a wide variety of vivid colors. A dragonfly can easily be identified by its long body, transparent wings, and large compound eyes. They have large compound eyes. And they are carnivores. Who are carnivores? The one who only eats meat. The one who only eats meat are called carnivores. And eat now, Nafe, please focus. Please, all of you, please pay attention. Stop. Yes. Sorry, Karthik. Can you please repeat your question? No, they didn't bite, but they only eat. Look, they are carnivorous and eat a wide range of different insects. They only eat insects, but they didn't bite to the human. And they capture their prey in midair. They always capture their prey in midair. They can't. They don't fly too high. Okay, now tell me what is it? Caterpillar. It's flea. It's flea. Flea. No, it's not cockroach. It though look like a cockroach, but it's not cockroach. It's flea. It's usually we usually found it in the wood. They live in the wood or in the ground. They make their house in the ground or in the wood. What are these? Bugs. Bugs. Okay, what is this? Who is going to tell me what is this? Cricket. It's cricket. It's from the family of grasshopper. And crickets are insects that can be found in most places. They have somewhat flattened bodies and long antenna, tentacles. They also have long tentacles and there are about 900 species of cricket. Grasshopper and crickets have a similar body structure. They are cold-blooded like all other insects. They are also cold-blooded like all other insects. Okay, what is this? Take your other one. I really need it. Yes, very good. Excellent. It's cockroach. What is that? Bee, bee, and what he is doing right now? What the bee is doing? It is collecting the nectar. Yes, it is honeybee, Maha. It is honeybee. Very good. Excellent. But right now, what that honeybee is doing? He is collecting the nectar. Milk bee? Who is saying that milk bee? Okay. Tell me who is saying that it's the milk bee. Maham and Nafia want to please turn the camera. Why you say it's a milk bee? There is a honey bee. Okay, tell me, do honey bee have a queen like ants? Do they have a queen like ants? Yes. Yes, you are right, Maham. They have a queen. Okay, now Shafi, where is Nafi? Nafi. Okay, you are there. Okay, everybody. So I'm going to start your English lesson now. So tell me, Nafi, how was the long weekend? You guys had fun? It was very good. Why it was very good? Give us a reason. At Saturday, you went to the school? Okay. Okay, it was a function. Okay. What type of function it was? Okay, it was a singing competition. Did you participate in it? It was not a competition. It was just you have to. Did you sing something over there? Okay. Okay. Japanese song. Okay. So let's begin your English class. In today's class, we will read some more words and we enhance our vocabulary. Let me share the video screen with you. Okay, so today we will learn about some more words. Okay, screen is visible. Students, yes. Scratching you? Why? Oh, they are teasing you. Nafi and Shafi, please stop teasing Maham. Okay, now all of you, please pay attention. And Maham, I think it's better if next time you will be get on from your own device. Because three of you, you can't sit in front of one device like this. You guys are making so disturbance. Okay, this is your device. What about your device? Uh, Shafi and Nafi, where are your device? My device is out of charge. So dear, whenever your device running out of the charge, you should put it on the charge within time. As you know, you have to attend the class. So next time, please be careful. Now, all of you, please, children, pay attention. Okay, screen is visible. Okay, fine. It's okay. Next time, be careful. Just okay. Shafe, Nafe, can you please read the words that is written in the green box? It's one. It's not on. One. We. Okay. In first question, what you have to do? Circle smaller words in each of the following words. Okay, there is a one, we have to find out the smaller words that have hidden in these longer words, in these words. Okay, the first word is nothing. Which small word is hidden in it? Look at, you have to find out these words that have written in the green box. Sorry? Okay. You have to find, look at the green. Everybody please look at the green box and find out the word. We? Nothing? Where is W-E-V? Nothing. Yes, Kartikesh? Which smaller word is hidden inside this word? There is a smaller word that is hidden inside this word, inside the nothing. Okay, what we have to do, Kartikesh, can you see these words that are written in the green box? Okay, we have to find out these words. They are hidden inside these large words. Nothing there between. We have to find out the words. They are hidden inside these words. So tell me which word is hidden in the word nothing. Excellent job. Well done, Kartikesh. Everybody clap for Kartikesh. I can't hear. Come on, children. Don't you know how to clap? Well done, Kartikesh. Well done. Not. So what we do, we just select it and we will highlight it like this. Okay? This is how we will do it. Okay. No, the next word is there. So tell me which word is hidden in it. No. Wait, Maham, you had look the words that are written on the in the green box. Have him, his, not her. One said so they we. So which word is hidden in this word? From these words, we have to find out from these words. Her, very good. Her. The word is her. Look, her is written in the green box. And her is hidden over here. Now let's go. Yes, Maham. Maham, are you listening to the teacher? I'm not telling you to make the sentences. I'm telling you that you have to find the words. Which words we have to find? That have written on the green box, in the green box. Okay? We have to find these words because these words are hidden in it. Circular, or you can just highlight words in each of these words. Okay, our next word is between. Which word is hidden over here? Have, him, his, not, her, one, said, so, the, we. Okay, Kartikesh, is bit is written in the green box? Then how you can say bit? You have to pick up the word from the green box. So look very carefully. V. V is hidden in this word. Okay, Maham, next is your turn. Can you read the next word, please? What you can't, why you can't see? So, well done. The hidden word is so. Maham, you are going to read the next word now. Quickly, read the next word. No, no. Solid. The next word is himself. Okay, which word is hidden in it? Excellent job. Very good. Him. Well done. Clap for Maham. Okay. Now our second question is write the words from the green box in the correct column. Okay, here you have to write the words with two letters. Yes, Nafe. Very good. So, excellent. Next. Yes, Shafe. Right now we are doing two letter words. Well done. We. Okay. Now tell me the three letter words. Yes, him, her, not, his, all these are, and one. They are three letter words. Okay, now tell me the four letter words. Quickly, Shafe. Tell me the four letter words that are written in the green box. Said, they, have. Good, very good, excellent job. Okay, now add a letter to make a new word. Yes, Kartikeya. Add a letter. Maham, please wait for your turn. Yes, Kartikesh. What is the beginning letter? Make a new word. You have to make a new word. You can add T. It makes this. Is this. When you add T, it becomes this. THIS sounds this. Okay. Yes, Nafi? Add a word to make a new, add a letter to make a new word. Yes, Nafi, your turn. You have to add a letter, not a word. Look, everybody, please pay attention. I'm doing the first one for you. Here I'm at the T, and it becomes this. THIS, a new word. This is what you have to do. HER, that. THAT is that. This time we have to add two letters. One in the beginning and one at the end. T and well done. What it becomes? It becomes there. THERE, there. Yes, Shafi. Shafi, next is your turn. Add a word. Add a letter to make a word. O and E. Tell me the beginning letter. Make a letter, make a new letter. All of you, please. Okay, you can drink it.
So yeah, many accidentally.
Yes, yes, quickly. O-N-E.
Many accidentally. मुझे करा दिया अभी constant because like I have a lot of pain.
On.
If I drink chai, I wouldn't drink shows. But my
Okay, just go ahead.
on.
On. O-W and on. Yes. On. Can you please spell the on word on?
We burn the car.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Born. You can make a word born. Okay, let's move to the next word. Yes, Maham, your turn. Add a letter to make a new word. You can also. Maham, I didn't ask you to make the sentence. Please focus, Maham. You are not focusing. Please pay attention. You only have to add the letters. You can add one or more than one letters. Please, nobody. Okay, you just ignore Shafi. You just focus on the sheet. So, yes, also. You can make also. AL. When we add A and L, it becomes also. We. Yes. Went. Empty. We add empty. Yes, it will become went. Come on, make another word. Wet. You can also make wet. You have to make the words, not the sentence. Only you have to make the word, not the wet. Use the words we and not in one sentence. Okay, one by one you will do this. First, Kartikesh, you are going to use the words we and one in your sentence. First, oh, sorry, we and not in your sentences. So first, make the sentence of word not. Kartikesh. Yeah, make the sentence with the word not. I did not what? Complete the sentence. Okay, I did not drink chocolate. I did not drink milk. Or you can say I did not eat chocolate. Good, very good. Okay. Now make the sentence of word we. Well done. Excellent. Please have a clap for Kartikesh. All of you please clap for Kartikesh. Okay, Nafe, now your turn. Nafe, your turn. Make the sentence of we. Are you sure? We don't like Maham? Oh, that's rude. That's not true. You love to play. Okay, it's okay, okay, well done. Not make another sentence of word not. I don't like sweets. Good, very good. Well done. Okay, clap for Nafis. Yes, Shafi, your turn. Shafi's turn. Make the sentences. Maham, please stay quiet right now. This is Shafi's turn. Yes, Shafi. Very good. Well done. Okay, now make the sentence of not. We don't have?